Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve NSO SET A 2017 of class 1. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं. The first question of the first section in front of our eyes is logical reasoning 1, and the question is which of these objects can roll but not slide. So if you see, these two are static type of objects which are not slidable like static one. And if we talk about the rolling and sliding section, then we only have two objects in front of our eyes. So the only object which slides which doesn't slide and roll only will be option B. So we will go with option B here. Now let's come to the next question. Which one of the alphabet is missing here? So let's observe the pattern first. G to J. So if we write it right now, G, H, I and J. So you can clearly see the 2-digit gap. Now let's confirm it again. So J to M. So J, K, L, M. Yeah, there is a gap of 2 alphabets. So from P to Q we must write 2 letters P, Q, R and S. So QR, and then the final word letter will be S. So the correct option here is option A. Okay friends, now next question. If Himani's class test is on 4th of Tuesday of August 2000 XX, then on which date her test is? So 4th Tuesday. So here the date sheet is mentioned of Tuesday. Okay, the first Tuesday is on 4th, second is on 11th, third is on 18th, and the fourth is on 25th. So we will go with the 25th one. Sorry friends, like it is option C. Now which of the following letters is fifth from the right end? So here it is mentioned as the left one, so it will be the right. So from the right side we have to count till 5 to obtain the fifth place from the right side. 3, 4 and 5. So A is the fifth one, so option D. Now there is a certain relationship between the pairs of the figures given on the either of. Identify the relationship. Like there is a symbol of proportion. So here we have identify the relationship between of the given pair and find the missing figures. So let's see, here we have some number of tomatoes which are equated in such a format. Like let's zoom it first to observe it clearly. So what you can see here is there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Like there is a 6 or 7, maybe 6. Yeah, like 6. There is a total number of 6 fruits and apples, and then they are equated in such a format. Now let's talk about the second section, which has 4 birds on a tree. So the equal distribution of these 4 birds is done in option B. So the correct option here for us will be option B. Okay friends, option B. Now let's move on to the science section. We eat the seeds of dash. Which one? So in pomegranate we eat the seeds. Select the statement which shows the living things and non-living things to stay alive. Living things breathe air, non-living things drink water, living things drink water. So living things can reproduce. So there is a kind of proving like all these are properties of living things, but which statement shows that living things need non-living things to stay alive is what? is option D, like air and water are natural non-living things while reproduction is a process. So the option is D for question number 7. Alia is going to stay at a cold place. She will need all of the following clothes item except which one? The short pant. Okay. So option C will be the correct option here. Now question number 9. X is an insect because it has dash. So 6 legs and 2 wings. Option D will be the correct option because both of these are the property of an insect. The boy shown here cannot. So if you see, this boy has a kind of blindfold over his eyes, so he will not be able to see the things. So identify which tree has greener leaves, because it can only be identified when he will be able to see the tree. Okay, so it. Question number 11. We should never dash. What should we never do? So push each other on a staircase, because it can be harmful if anyone falls down from the staircase. It can cause a severe injury. Which of these following does rhyme with any water body present on earth? Clue, bond and pond. So let's see which is not a rhyme here. So the thing is option C. Okay, let's see the next question, which is a signboard one. Which of the following road signs indicates the presence of a speed breaker? Option D, friends. Blown up A blown up football is heavier than a blown out football because air has weight. Of course, it is the correct option right now. Question number 15. A new moon means there is dash in the sky. A new moon means there is full moon in the sky. Okay, or no moon, like new moon means new moon means no moon in the sky, friends. Okay, next question. Select the incorrect statement out of the following. Water is essential for living things. Yes, it is correct option. Water comes from rain. Steam and water droplets are two different forms of water. Mist is water that contains smoke. So which one is incorrect as per you guys? Of course, option D will be incorrect here. So question number D has the correct option, which is option D, because mist is not the form which contains smoke. Select the correct statement about X shown in the picture. So it is a zebra crossing, guys. So we should use to overtake other vehicles here. No, it is not the correct way. The correct way is like it is a zebra crossing which helps to disabled to cross the road with a safety one. So and we should use it to cross the road when the traffic lights is green. No, it is also not done while this. So which one is correct, my dear friends? Like if we see the option B, it is partially correct, because upon zebra crossing it is not only the disabled who walk, also abled person use it to cross the road. So option D will be the correct option here. Ravi falls ill very frequently. He should take more fruits and vegetables in his diet. All these following festivals are celebrated in winter season except which one? So except Independence Day. Question number 19. The correct option will be Independence Day, option D. Let's see the 20th number question right now. Refer to a given statement made by 4 children. Select the child who made the wrong statement. I saw crow eating dead rat. Awful. I saw cat eating grass. So the incorrect one is clearly shown by Ram. Like यहाँ पर राम गलत बोल रहा है, बिल्ली घास नहीं खाती है. Okay. 21st question. X is a plant that needs support to grow upward and bear round green fruits in bunches. So if we talk about the bunches of green fruits, then it is only one, which is grape vine. So the correct option here is B. Select the incorrect statements statements out of the following. Animals which we keep in our home as companion are called pet animals. Yeah. Animals which we keep in farms to get useful things and other help are called domesticated animal or domestic animals. Animals found in the forest called flesh eating. Animals like tiger and bear are called wild animals. So which one is incorrect, my dear friends? So option C, because not all the animals living in forest are flesh eaters. We have examples like elephant and giraffe, which are completely herbivorous in nature. Which of the following body parts present the highest number in our body? Like we have one nose, 2 ears, 2 eyes, but 10 fingers. So highest number will be of fingers. So the correct option is option D. Question number 24. Look at the given classification table. Select the option that correctly identifies the headings of X and Y. Rose plant, duck and fish, notebook, rubber band and houses. So here we have man-made things. Okay, consider it man-made. Wait a minute, like it is man-made, and here it is natural. So let's see what is it. Living things, rose, duck and fish. Yes, of course they are living. Non-living things. So the only correct option which is matchable right now is, and let's check out like option B. A is also correct, but let's see natural things and man-made things. It is also correct. So we will go with option D. Option D, friends. Option D is the right one here, because they are living as well as natural also, and the other case, in the other case of Y, the living, they are non-living things and non man-made also. So this is it. Now let's talk about the question number 25th. After seeing weather report in newspaper, Rohit carried an umbrella and goggles. So umbrella and goggles can be only carried when the season is quite hot, like the day is summer day, because if we see it, the season will be, the correct option here will be of summer season, option B. 26th number question. Select the plant which of the same type as shown in the picture. So which one will be matchable to this? Like it is a coconut plant in front of our eyes. So 26th number question is matchable to a mango tree. Okay, like none of these plants are as tall and strong branches like this coconut one. So it is it. Arrange the given stages of in the correct order in which they occur in the life of a plant. So here we have first, second, third and fourth. So first we sow the seeds, the primary part, then it is the secondary one, second stage, first stage, then it grows a bit, third stage, and then lastly the fourth stage. So first one will be R, then Q, then P, R and P and Q and then S. So let's check out the options. R, P, Q, S, option B. Now 28th question. Select the natural thing which is non-living. So the natural thing which is non-living by the nature is option D. So the correct option for question number 28 is option D. Select the option containing items that should be kept in the same room of house. So let's see. For the 29th number question, the correct option will be C, because sofa, chair, table and flower case can be put in a dining room where we can sit and have a get together with the family. Now question number 30. Select the correct match of the animals and the number of letters in its home name. Horse, lion, bees and eagle. So let's see which is the correct matchable one. So the correct match here is B. I want you all to mention the correct house name in the comment section. Now here comes the most innovative section, the achievers section. Now see the 31st question. X is the living thing but it cannot move. Y is the non-living thing but it can move. It can grow in size up to a certain limit. Select the correct option and identify. So if a living thing doesn't move, then it must be a tree. Okay. So which of the option here in X shows the tree, bean, plant and mango? So option C and D, we have two options. Now let's see, like here we have a kind of non-living thing which can grow to a certain limit. So metal beads and gel bead. So which one can grow? So gel bead can grow up to a certain limit apart from the metal bead, because we need to put it and hammer it, then there are certain chances of growing. So gel bead will be the correct option. Like if we see as per the order of ranking also, the option C is above, so we will go with it, option C. Question number 32. Plant can be classified into 5 types ranging from trees to creepers. Select the option that contains one example of each type. Okay, let's see which of the following match with it. So if we without wasting any further time, let's see coriander, mint, watermelon, mango and bean. In the second case, coconut, banana, rose, watermelon and peas. So if we see it, here we have in option B all the type of plants are mentioned. The 5 types or 5 different types of plants are mentioned here, so we can go with it. Okay, so option 30, so the correct option for the 32 number question will be this. Now let's see the 33rd number question. Refer to the given flow chart, identify the animal PQR, select the correct option R. So animals with 2 legs, we will begin with the mid section. Animals with 2 legs, animal with wings. So here we have 2 legs and wings. So we don't have wings but have 2 legs. So the 2 legs are for which one? Here we have man, the only option which is matchable to the B option is, sorry, the P option is option number B. So P can be only suitable for man, because man don't have wings but have two legs. So this is enough for classifying the example, and we can leave the process of distinguishing much more options here, and we can easily go with option B. Now question number 32, object related to which of the following road signs is not hidden in the given word grid. So let's see which one is not hidden. Let's check it out. So if we check it out clearly, then here is the school passing, which is not hidden and shown here. So you guys have to see where it is, like object related to which of the following road signs are not hidden in the given word grid. So the school sign is not hidden, like it is not in the word grid. If we check it out, so we can clearly mention the option C is not hidden. And you guys have to comment and write down the name of no parking or zebra crossing as well as hospital symbol where you find it in this chart. Okay, now moving to the last question of this question paper. Read the statement made by four friends and select the correct option. Birds are chirping somewhere. I love the smell of wet soil. Oh, there is no sugar in tea. Wow, your hair is so silky. So here we have Riya, Neha, Sonam and Komal have with some different kind of statements of their own. Let's check out the options. Riya used to sense, which also helps to identify the color of flower. So to hear the chirping of birds, Riya needs ear. Okay, and ear has no significance in identification of flower. So it has nothing to take with flower color, so it is wrong option. Now Neha used, like next mention the name of Neha. I love the smell of soil. So here the mentioned sense organ is nose, and for Sonam it is there is no taste or no sugar in tea. So it is only done by the help of tongue. And then your hairs are so silky, so it is a touching sensation. So skin is the main sense organ that helps Komal. So here we have the sense organ for all these four girls. Now let's check out. Neha has a sense organ which helps us to respond the phone ring. So nose doesn't respond to phone ring, so it is also incorrect. Option C. Sonam used the sense organ which helps us to identify a spicy soup. Yes, tongue is helpful in checking out the taste and spices. So option C will be the correct option. That's it, guys. We are done with the full explanation of NSO Set A 2017 question paper. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you are willing to join our paid courses, please mention in the comment section. We will contact you. Thank you.